All right, our lesson, we're going to find the distance between 2 points without having the graph, the coordinate plane with us. So, here's a little cheat sheet over here. If they have the same sign, we're going to subtract. If they have different signs, we're going to add. And I'm going to show you this. So, first one, what's the distance between these 2 points? So if you notice, we have 2 points. All we're going to do first is write these 2 points. So we have 3, 10, and then we have 3, -8. Now, since they both have a 3 here, we are going to ignore that. So that means we're done. We don't have to do anything with this side. We are going to take a look at these two. So we have, there we go. So we have +10, -8. With these two numbers, do they have the same sign or do they have different signs? +10, -8. One is positive, one is negative, so they have different signs. So we're going to add them. So now we're going to add them. We're going to have 10 plus 8, which is going to be 18. So you're going to just add both of the whole numbers. 10 plus 8 is going to be 18. So all our answer is going to be is 18 units. Perfect. Let's take a look at the next one. Let me erase our little stuff over here. All right, so in the coordinate plane, what's the distance between these two numbers? Too dark. There we go. 2, -9, and -2, +4. So what we're going to do, I'm so sorry, that should be a +2. I apologize. Whoop. That is a +2. Please forgive me there. We have 2, -9, 2, 4. So are they the same sign or different signs? So first of all, we know we can ignore these ones. Now we're going to take a look at -9 and +4. We have a negative and a positive. So they are different signs. So again, different signs means we're going to add. So if we add them up, 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our answer is going to be 13 units. 13 units. And those are it for this. I know it might be a little tricky. Don't stress. We'll get the hang of it. But that's it for our lesson. Great job.